Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix YouTube no result found problem on YouTube application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 2. Long press or long tap in YouTube application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage, again click on Clear Data, tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open Play Store, go to Search YouTube app, update your YouTube application, latest version. You make sure your YouTube application is up to date. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your YouTube application. Click on Search. You can follow all of the steps to fix YouTube no result found problem on YouTube application. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.